Hey everyone, today I've gathered an awesome set of really cool technology items and amazing gear that will make you look really awesome in your town. How many times do you usually need to chop things? If it happens a lot, you might consider getting a handy, quick-release knife called Trinity. It's made to look like a keychain that you can attach to your jeans, bike, or backpack. When you suddenly need a knife, just pull down on the lower part to reveal a very sharp blade. And if it gets dull, you can easily replace it with a new one. Got a blunt knife? Don't stress about prepping food. The HORL 2 has some awesome solutions. Its diamond-coated sharpening disc easily sharpens and improves your blade's edge. Then, the ceramic sharpening disc turns it into a super sharp tool. Instead of moving the knife, you move the stone over it. Plus, the magnetic base holds your knife at the ideal 15 or 20 degree angle, perfect for all types of knives. Time to get cooking now. Fed up with those bothersome, blood-sucking bugs ruining your outdoor enjoyment? This lantern is your hero. It forms a shield of protection spanning up to 30 feet, allowing you to have a great time without stressing about those irritating bites. The Evo REPEL is convenient, rechargeable, and also acts as a power bank thanks to its built-in 14,400 mAh battery. This means you'll get around 28 hours of mosquito-repelling power and a bright light of 3,000 lumens, enough to illuminate up to 2150 square feet of space. There's this cool game called beer darts that you can play during get-togethers. The aim of the game is to throw darts at your opponent's beer can. If you hit it, they have to drink. Everything you need to play is in this kit. Players stand 10 feet away from each other and try to hit each other's cans. Be careful not to accidentally hurt your opponent. If you puncture their can, they have to drink it all. But if you miss, you take a sip of your own drink. Remember to play responsibly and agree on how many points someone needs to win. Have fun and enjoy the game. Oh, there's also this tool called a screwdriver. It's nothing fancy, but it comes with different bits you can use. Surprisingly, it can also work as a toy for fidgeting when you want something to keep your hands occupied. When gearing up for an epic adventure like conquering Everest or embarking on a similarly grand endeavor, having an assisting hand is crucial. That's where the Hypershell Omega steps in. A super lightweight exoskeleton designed for adventurers, athletes, and folks seeking to make everyday tasks a bit easier. Weighing just 4 pounds, this marvel can counterbalance up to 66 pounds over a span of 16 miles. It's an absolute game changer for those aiming to stretch their limits, scale higher peaks, sprint faster, or stroll with reduced effort. This device isn't just about its weight to support ratio. It's armed with specialized sensors and cutting-edge technology that comprehends your body's movements. Furthermore, its motion engine technology allows it to learn and adapt to your specific motions, gradually tailoring itself to your habits and movements over time. Presenting a convenient and efficient wallet that simplifies access to your credit cards. This compact accessory boasts a specialized compartment that neatly arranges up to 7 cards for easy organization and quick retrieval. The one-click trigger feature enables swift card access within seconds. Moreover, this wallet offers enhanced protection against scanning devices. Additionally, it includes pockets for carrying cash and other small items, ensuring everything stays neatly organized in one place. This is for you to imagine. Envision hosting a lively party in your backyard when someone suddenly asks, "Did anyone bring some beer?" Suddenly, a whole dozen bottles emerge from the ground as if by magic. But hold that enchanting thought. It's actually a beer cooling system at work. All you need to do is create a hole in your yard, insert the cladding tube, and fill it with your favorite brews. The solid bottle holder accommodates up to 15 bottles, whether it's beer or lemonade, as long as it comes with crown caps. This tube boasts a weather-resistant bottom and lid, ensuring that neither water nor pests will intrude upon your beverages. So, whether you're chilling ales or other drinks, this system brings convenience and a touch of magic to your outdoor gatherings. Here's an essential for every hiker before embarking on their next adventure. This headlamp guarantees you'll never lose your path, no matter how pitch black it gets. The exclusive U-shaped touch-activated light source emits an incredibly strong 3,600 lumens from 19 LEDs, ensuring exceptional visibility. Wear it comfortably on your head, attach it magnetically, or opt for the carabiner, it's up to you. The JordiLight boasts a flexible and lightweight design, making it both portable and resilient. What's impressive is that it also includes an e-compass, an SOS button, and customizable lighting modes. This versatile headlamp ensures you're well prepared for any hiking expedition, providing top-notch visibility and added safety features for your journey. Sure thing. When you venture out for a swim all on your own, ever wondered where to stash your things? Fear not, my independent swimmer. Say goodbye to hunting for hiding spots or lockers at the beach. Simply slip into these swim shorts, equipped with a waterproof pocket. The magic lies in these pockets, embedded with neodymium magnets, ensuring your belongings stay dry even if you plunge 100 feet underwater. Moreover, these shorts boast a nanotechnology speed drive feature, supposedly enabling them to drive 5 times faster than regular swimwear. At least that's what the manufacturer claims. Are you ready to put these claims to the test? Dive in and discover the convenience and innovation these swim shorts offer for solo swimming adventures. If you need to measure something, your phone can now help you out. Just attach this measuring gadget beforehand, and you're set. All you need to do is calibrate the laser and snap pictures of surfaces. Powerful algorithms will automatically compute the area within the 450-foot working range. What's neat is that you can exclude surfaces like doors and windows for more precise measurements. It's compatible with most phones and tablets, making it an ideal tool for measuring and calculating surfaces and materials accurately.